Hey, I'm happy to share this moment with you. And before we get started, let me state that I don't claim to be an expert who knows the answer to any profound philosophical question. All I am is a student of life who enjoys sharing his view on these topics that he is so passionate about. What I say with good conscience and the intention to bring value to you, but keep in mind that I might be completely wrong. So be open-minded, but feel free, and I encourage you to do so, to question what I say. As usual, feel free to join me in taking 5 deep breaths with little pauses between in and exhaling. Feel yourself arriving in the present moment. You are right here, right now. Meditation, to me, refers to us getting centered in our middle, centered within. I don't mean that as an isolation from our environment. Much rather, it can make us aware of us being part of the universe, drops in the ocean, apples on an apple tree. It gets us out of our identification with the mind, makes us see ourselves in a better light, and actually helps us be our true selves. We come home just to find out we've never left. It's been right here all the time, and we were just not conscious of it. Identified with the mind instead of the universe as a whole, so to speak. Our true selves, you might also say our true self, are or is full of love, and therefore also peace. And this peace cannot be taken from you. You can't just become unaware of it. Open your eyes and see for yourself. As you could tell by the title, I'd like to address this session to emotionality in a way, in terms of getting upset. To me, both sadness and aggression share the same root: pain. If you ask me, when we're angry, and nearly always when we're sad, we're not centered within. Whatever caused us to feel that way either brought us out of our perception of the unshakable peace we have within ourselves, or, and this is the more common phenomenon, we hadn't perceived that underlying peace, that everlasting substance in the first place. I think the best way to not feel so attacked by other people and their actions is to understand. To understand that perhaps they aren't against you, but just against your argument. Or perhaps they hurt you because of insufficiencies and pain on their behalf. Or that someone not being there anymore perhaps makes us sad because we'd have liked to spend more time with him or her, but we're grateful for having walked this path of life and beyond together. And at some point, the paths led in different directions, and perhaps he or she is off to other endeavors now. Whatever it is, let's be grateful for this moment and understand what caused us to feel the way we feel. And we should attempt to never lose sight of the unconditional love within and around us. Take care.